Hello everyone, welcome back to the show. We're here at CE Week in New York City, and we're going to check out some innovative companies. Let's take a closer look.
So this is Koji. The brand name Koji comes from two words, coding and emojis. The idea is coding is a little bit scary, a little bit complex, so we took a complex concept and distilled it down to its most basic form so that even pre-readers can understand the basic ideas behind what it means to be a coder. You get a little robot and you get an accompanying app. The product works with or without the app, but all the coding is a little bit contained in the app. So to begin with, emojis are your language, and for that reason it's accessible. Like, even if you can't read or write yet, you're understanding that if I hit forward 2 times and then eat a taco and I get that response out of my robot, it's pretty empowering, even for a 4-year-old. They do something in the digital environment and they elicit a response in the physical environment. So that's the first layer. Then we built in games into the app that test memory skills. We built games that test logic and problem solving skills. And last but not least, we added a customization element. So in Command Center, I can actually program what gets stored on board the robot. In the robot itself, there's 15 slots for animations playback, and I can go into the app and customize what those animations are and then store them in the robot so that when mom or dad takes the tablet or iPhone back, they still have all those things that they created themselves accessible with a couple presses of the button. And the other reason Koji's super accessible is because he's a $59.99 retail. So he's accessible 2 ways. One, in that he's relatable and it's easy to get started with and anyone can code and learn the basics. And 2, that he won't break the bank. A lot of the STEM products out there are a little bit higher priced. So yeah, he's around in August.
And you know, in this age, a lot of schools are using blended learning to teach their kids. So this is a wonderful way to integrate.
We get a lot of that feedback. Oftentimes our products are used in all sorts of classrooms. Again, to make tangible the concepts that these teachers are teaching, it's a lot easier to relate to when they see it manifested in the physical with something that they can relate to, a robot, a car, a doll, you name it.
You talked a little bit about empowerment, and you can clearly see once they get it right, they want to do more and learn more and do more.
It's magic, right? So it's anything I think of, I can do. That's what the whole buzz of coding really is. Anything you can dream up of, anything you can conceive, you can make happen. So we're planting that seed really early from a young age, even at 4. If I want my robot to go straight, if I want to blow a kiss, if I want to get angry, whatever I can think of, I can make my robot do.
And one thing that you kind of see now happening is that kids are learning earlier how to code. So it's going to create a whole new, and there's been a shortage of coders and engineers. So this actually gives you that hope that in 10 years or even less, you have a whole new group of people who can code.
And a whole new world and a bunch of new industries, and it'll be an interesting time, you know?
As you can see, CE Week is a wonderful way to learn about innovative companies that are transforming who we learn, play, and connect. This is Aaron Herman, and thanks for watching.